Each year in the U.S., hail damage to corn results in about $52 million in yield loss. Fungal disease and wet conditions are two things that go hand in hand, but growers may not know that applying a fungicide can protect corn against adverse effects from hail damage. Even if a fungicide application didn't happen prior to the hail event, growers can still benefit from the application regardless of plant stage.
Hail can be quite damaging to corn because it comes through and it can cause defoliation and just damage the leaves. Now, it may not be to the extent that a grower needs to replant. However, loss of that leaf photosynthetic surface area, that can be quite debilitating to the plant. A fungicide can help the plant recover from that. It can't fix it or cure it, but it can help recover. For the plant to recover, it needs to produce photosynthate so that new leaves can be produced and the plant can take off again. What we want to do is protect the green tissue the plant has left.
Delaro fungicide by Bayer can be used to protect hail-damaged corn. It can benefit the plant in two ways. The plant's hail-damaged vascular system restricts the flow of water and nutrients, starving some cells and handicapping others. Photosynthetically active surfaces may not be able to export generated sugars to the growing and recovering tissues. The injured plant is less able to respond to infections. Therefore, the fungicide helps fight fungal pathogens that readily feast on this weak tissue caused by hail damage. The strobilurine component of Delaro helps close the wounds caused by the hail and eliminate the pathogen's easy access to the vulnerable interior of the leaves. This barrier preserves the plant productivity, enhancing recovery.
Because we have triazole and strobilurine chemistries, we're working with two different modes of action to help protect that tissue from new infections. The strobilurine piece helps healing of the wounds, but also it increases the productivity of the green tissue by increasing chlorophyll content, increasing levels of nitrogen reductase. There's various physiological triggers or impacts that are triggered inside that healthy tissue. And the triazole piece does a very nice job of complementing the strobilurine by fighting the various diseases, and because it's systemic in nature, it can move into the tissue and give it added protection.
It's important for growers to apply the fungicide to the damaged corn as soon as possible after the hail event. This will help prevent fungal diseases from entering the affected tissue. It's also important to keep in mind the stage at which the corn was affected by hail damage when applying fungicide.
Hail damage can occur any time during the season, and early in the season is better because the plant has a chance to recover. It can produce new leaves. Later on, once the tassel has emerged, the full complement of leaves is now fully expressed, and the plant can produce no more new leaves. So at that point in time, all we can do is try to help protect the plant to help increase the productivity of that leaves that are left and take it all the way through grain fill.